that is literally everywhere. Bubbles!
Steph, how you going? Good to see you. It's so long. Tell me. What's up with her?
You're just way too bubbly, mate.
Really?
Producer Steph, what are you doing? You're not meant to be coming to other people's houses at the moment.
I know, but it's an emergency because I was out there and then I was running away from them.
You're not afraid of bubbles, are you? Look, maybe you just need to understand them. Let me show you. One of the main ingredients you need to make bubbles is water. Have you ever noticed how water droplets stick together? Which is why the second most important ingredient in making bubbles is detergent. Detergents help to make the water stretchy, so a flexible film of a bubble trampoline can be made to fit across a bubble wand. Thirdly, we need air or a gas to fill the inside of a bubble. So, are you scared of any of those things?
Well, no, but I just really hate it when they pop.
Bubbles pop when the water that makes up the bubble film evaporates. When bubbles float through the air around it dries it out. That's why bubbles last longer in the shower or bath where the air is more moist with water droplets. But have you seen how pretty and colourful they are? A bubble film is made of a layer of detergent, a layer of water, and another layer of detergent. When light hits the different layers, the light reflects or bounces into each other, making the light interfere with them, which we see as different colours.
Yeah, but I mean,
Just come and check out all the cool things you can do with bubbles. Come on, come. So now that we've averted that crisis, can you please leave my house?
yeah, just one more minute.
Producer Steph, I'll post the bubble recipe mix on our Scope social media so you can make your own bubbles at home. I'm sorry to pop your bubble, but you're going to have to leave.